ऑपरेशन सिंदूर चल रहा है, जब हम सब आपके मीडिया को शाम को देखने के लिए उत्सुक हैं, बैठे हैं कि कब शाम को व्योमिका सिंह आएंगी, कब कर्नल कुरैशी आएंगी और वो हमें बताएंगी कि आज युद्ध में क्या हुआ, तब आप उन बेटियों के लिए ऐसे बोल रहे हैं।
This is a social media post by Professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad that got him behind bars. Mahmudabad is facing two first information reports, FIRs based on a complaint by Renu Bhatia, who is the chairperson of the Haryana State Commission for Women, and another by Yogesh Jatheri, who is the Jatheri village sarpanch, and also the General Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha in Haryana. Now, both FIRs have been lodged at the Rai police station of the state's Sonipat district. Let's look at Mahmudabad's social media post. In a long post, Mahmudabad started by saying that India has strategically begun a new phase in terms of collapsing distinction between military and terrorist non-state actors in Pakistan. If you look at the post on your screen, he goes on to talk about India's Operation Sindoor action, and I quote, "The message is clear, if you don't deal with your terrorism problem, then we will." In the same post, he highlighted how the right-wing commentators were applauding Colonel Sofia Qureshi, and I quote, "Perhaps they could also equally loudly demand that the victims of mob lynchings, arbitrary bulldozing, and others who are victims of the Bharatiya Janata Party's hate-mongering be protected as Indian citizens." He went on to add, and I quote, "For me, the press conference was just a fleeting glimpse, an illusion and allusion, perhaps, to an India that defied the logic on which Pakistan was built." 10 days after he posted his thoughts on social media, he was arrested. The FIR based on the complaint of Jatheri has been lodged under Section 196(1)(b), which is promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion. 197(1)(c), assertions prejudicial to national integration. 152, which is Act endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. And 299, malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The other FIR has been lodged under BNS sections 353, which is statements conducing to public mischief, and 79, word, gesture or act intended to insult modesty of a woman, and 152, which is act endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. In a statement issued on Sunday, Ashoka University said, and I quote, "We have been made aware that Professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad has been taken into police custody earlier today. We are in the process of ascertaining details of the case. The university will continue to cooperate with the police and local authorities in the investigation fully." On May 12th, NCW issued a notice to Mahmudabad after taking suo motu cognizance of his social media posts following Operation Sindoor on May 7th. The remarks were annexed in the show cause notice. Mahmudabad was also summoned to appear before the commission. The commission has interpreted his remarks as an attempt to vilify national military actions. In a statement to the media on May 14th, Mahmudabad said that his remarks were completely misunderstood and claimed that the commission had no jurisdiction whatsoever in the matter. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on Monday agreed to hear a plea challenging the arrest of Ashoka University professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad by the Haryana police over his remarks on Operation Sindoor, which allegedly was disparaging women officers in the Indian Armed Forces and promoting communal disharmony. That's all for now. For more such news updates, stay tuned to the Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.